everyone, my name is Jen. I would like to share with you how I prepare my home cooked meal for our dogs Piper and Bella. So hopefully you'll like it. And this is going to be my first video on YouTube. So I'm sure it's not gonna be as good. Hopefully from here, I'll get better. So hopefully you like it. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a 1 pound gizzard, and I put this one first before the ground turkey. Once this one brown, that's when I go ahead and put your ground turkey in. So we'll wait until it browns. Seven. And then I'll go ahead and set that aside. This is my super greens. It's got everything in there. It's got collard green, chard, and spinach, alfalfa, and you name it. Just about everything. So that's why I call this super green. And I'll go ahead and put a 1 teaspoon of super green for the girls. So I'll just kind of sprinkle it. Well, I'll take that back. I'll go ahead and put 2 teaspoons, and that should do it. So I dehydrate all these greens, and then I put it in the blender so to powder it. And I'll go ahead and mix all these, and then we'll be back. What's next? All right, next is I'm going to put organic sunflower oil, kelp, and powdered Brussels sprouts. I also dehydrate this. Actually, I already put a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of powdered Brussels sprout, and then I'll also go ahead put a tablespoon of kelp. Sprinkle it there. That's just what works for me. I know I don't know if that's the measurement. There is no perfect measurement for me. I've been doing it for a year, a little over a year. So, and this one right here, I just sprinkle seven tablespoons of sunflower oil. This is good. That's the third. I better stop talking and count because I mess. It was 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's all it, guys. I'll go ahead and mix it, and then once I mix all of this, that's when I go ahead and measure it. And then once I get this one mixed and then put them in an individual container for the girls, then I'll be back and show you guys what I also put as additional supplements for the food, with the food. So sorry about that. All right, I'll bring you back here once I get everything ready, okay? All right, I forgot to add my sweet pepper. I know for some reason on a winter time this works for them. I give them a little, just like this much. I just kind of give that little coloring, or no, I'll take that back. I lied. Actually, I added more. Just like so. And then also, I also have I have a celery. I like to put celery on them too. I think the more, well, I gotta get me some spoon. I've used up all my measurements, so this is just about I put in there, right there. So, and then we're gonna mix. And so I'll bring you guys back here once I get them all in container, and then show you what supplements that I'm gonna be adding. Okay. All right. This is the cod liver that I also put in their meal, the Healthy Calm. This one is just when needed. Right now I only use it one time. I also put the Orthoflex. This is just for Piper though. And also I gave them this for just for kind of a, you know, preventative. And I like this one. This is for the morning and this is for the night, and this is for both of them. So that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you liked it. And if you do, comment below and let me know what you think my first video. Thank you.